All right, boys and girls, I'm going to show you how you can go in now and upload your video for us. So after you have practiced all of the sign language in Seesaw and you feel comfortable and this is something that you want to participate in and send us your video, you have the link from us for the Google form, and when you open it, it should look like this. So at the top it says the name of the song, God Bless America. Right here I have the lyrics or the words to the song, so if you forget them you can always look there just to kind of help you with your movements if you would like. But what's really going to help is this recording right here. Okay, so before you get that recording open, you want to come down and open up your camera app. Now mine's not going to open right now because I'm using my camera to record this video, but in your camera app you're going to press the video button and start recording. Okay, if we have a few seconds at the beginning where you're getting situated, that's okay because we can always edit that and crop that out. So once you've got your recording going, come back and press play on this video here. And that's going to help you with the movements because you're going to be doing all of the movements with me. And I actually have the song playing on this recording real softly, but it's so I can hear it, and I'm doing the actual tempo or speed that we're going to have everybody performing it at here at school. So you have your camera app going, you have the video going, you're going to come press play, and you can even leave your sound muted. You don't need it on right now, but it's playing, and so then you just perform with the video. And once you've finished performing with the entire video, you're going to stop recording on your camera device. You're going to save your file. I saved mine with the name of the song, and I saved it to my desktop. So if I go to my desktop, you'll see I've got a video recording there that says God Bless America. Okay, so we're going to come back into the Google form. And the next one says add file. So once you've finished practicing and you've recorded yourself, you've done all the movements, you're going to come add your video, select files from your device. Now mine is saved on my desktop and that's what's showing right here. So I have my song, God Bless America, and it's my video. Click on that and click open. And then you're going to go to this blue button down here that says upload. Click on upload and it might take a moment. Okay, and now it's in our Google form. Okay, once you finish that, you're going to click submit, and then it gets sent to myself and Mrs. Powell. Okay, and on our forms, we see who has recorded it, and we have your video, and then we can then edit it, and we can use it for Veterans Day here at Cibolo Green.